Thank you very much, Janet. Thank you very much, Astrid on the Prairie. And thank you very much, Catherine, my fellow commentators from the New York Times, for appreciating my videos, my voice, and my choice in life. I value your opinion. It means a lot to me. For the past 4 weeks, I've been uploading a number of videos pertaining to basics of numbers, their positions, simple additions, simple subtractions, simple multiplications, certain problems pertaining to algebra, and then speed multiplication by using an ancient Indian mathematics called Vedic mathematics, which is a brilliant mental mathematics, the knowledge of which is passed on by Indian saints thousands and thousands of years ago, for which I am grateful. I have even uploaded a video on simple division as well. So let me continue with the simple division in this video. Let us solve 100 divided by 4. Since it's not easy to divide 1 with 4, let us consider 10 first. So 4 times 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Take the other 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore, 100 divided by 25, 100 divided by 4 equals 25. Similarly, 25 times 4 equals 100. Let us solve some more problems. 1000 divided by 8. Eight times 1 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Take the second 0. 8 times 2 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Take the third 0. 8 times 5 is 40. Therefore, 1000 divided by 8 is 125. 125 times 8 is 1000. Let us do few more problems. 1240 divided by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So put the 0 here. Therefore, 1240 divided by 4 is 310. 310 times 4 is 1240. Let us do one more problem. 2464 divided by 8. Eight times 3 is 24. Take 6. So it's not easy to divide 6 with 8. So consider 4 also. Put a 0 here. 8 times 8 is 64. Final answer is 308. Similarly, 308 into 8 is 2464. I have uploaded a substantial number of videos on simple additions, subtractions, simple multiplications, and even complicated multiplications based on Vedic mathematics, and also divisions. And you might have noticed that I haven't used any modern gadget to arrive at the solutions. I have explained in a very simple and easy way how to do even complicated multiplications. Thank you very much.